Hi, y'all. This is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and I'm giving you a little sneak peek of our home daycare. I'm in the middle of switching out our themes. 3 weeks ago, I hardly had any dinosaur-related materials or resources for our dinosaur theme, and this is an impromptu theme I put together. I had wanted to put a dinosaur theme together, and I found this little toy set here at Sam's Club. So I went ahead and threw one together and collected some materials. Some of the items I already had, like this little orange dinosaur right here, and some are new. This little puppet set is from Cheryl at Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds, and I picked up these little skeleton bones at the Dollar Tree today, and I already had this Melissa and Doug little wooden dinosaur from a church yard sale. And I also picked up these water color books at the Dollar Tree yesterday, so we won't use them this year since I'm packing the theme up, but we'll have it for the next time. So this is what this side of the room looks like. I'm always changing it up. This is the toddler and baby toys here, and our block area, and then trains and vehicles, and then there's balls in the bins below that. And that number 3 bin has workshop toys that goes with our little workshop. It's Sunday afternoon and it's September, and what I'll do is we have a farm theme in the spring. It's a spring planting gardening theme, and then a farm fall theme in the autumn. And what I'll do is wipe down our train table with a disinfectant wipe, and I'll start unpacking. So think outside the box when you're collecting your items for your themes. These 2 sets for the pigs and the cows I got at a Tractor Supply store. I have 2 bookshelves, and under our calendar I put the themed unit that we're working on, and then the one beside of it, these books pretty much stay the same. I have Bibles and animals and numbers, alphabet, character traits, seasons, all kinds of good things stay on this bookshelf. And then I have the changing table right beside of it. Okay, I have a circle time basket behind my rocking chair here with some items that get changed out a little bit, but our little happy birthday bear stays here. I tell you, I really like this caddy. I've got all kinds of our necessities in here. There's hand sanitizer, mosquito bug repellent, lotion, and sometimes a hairbrush. Of course, my glasses there. We have an ice cream cart and a little shelf. You can get these like at Target or Walmart for about $30–40. And I extend the dramatic play for the ice cream shop on this. There's part of our circle time board. I've got the pack and play in front of it right now while I'm washing the linens and working in here this afternoon, but we'll switch out the letter D to F for farm and fall, and we'll switch out the letter of the week. Then I have table materials and resources for next to our dining room. This is where we have our kitty table right off of our kitchen. It's a very small space. I have this shelving unit here. I think I got this at Target to hold some of the materials. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled some of the materials that we had for our dinosaur theme off of the little square right here. I don't have enough room to display them individually. I have our art and some different themes here. And then this is an arts and crafts shelving unit here. So I just have all of these in one of the little cubicles, and then I can decide when we have an opportunity to get those out on the table. So I've just got all of these pulled out, and I'm going to be packing those up into our theme and replacing them with a farm theme. And then in our living room, I have some homemade crates, and I have a video on these to keep our puzzles. Same thing with the ones that was in the dining room that I keep for a drying rack. These are a puzzle system, and if you notice that the shelves are deeper on some, I made these with a crate system, and I chose to create different depths so that some of the ones with these trays right here have plenty of space and room to pull them in and out. And this was a shelving unit that my mom got years and years and years ago for like $10 at a yard sale, and it has gone through many, many years with my children's toys and now for the daycare. And this little shelving unit here is in my living room. We have a small house, so I have to utilize every inch I can. There's a lot involved to kind of switch over your themes. You got to pack up and take more stuff out, unpack that, set it up, clean things, but it's very much well worth it in the end. Keeping your toys rotated and operating and an education system on themes and units is a great way to keep everything organized, and it melds your ideas and your lessons together to have a common theme. So I hope you like this idea and hope you find some inspiration. Get your materials through thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, discount stores, the dollar store. And then that way when you want to find something new, like I did with this dinosaur set, and like I did with this pet clinic that I found at Sam's Club, you'll have enough money to get some brand new items that you might wish for your themes if you bargain shop. And one last thing I want to share with you are these Sterilite totes, and they have the lockable lids here, and then when you turn them over, it has this little seal around it. So that's always a good storage system. As I unpack everything, I'll take separate videos for you and upload those so you can see what all of our materials look like when I get them all set out. So I hope you like this video. I hope you find some inspiration on storage solutions, and give us a like, a thumbs up, click the bell if you want to follow us when we upload new videos, and comment below. Thanks. Have a great week.